Every day, millions of shoppers type generic requests into a search bar. They aren't looking for a specific brand, they're looking for running shoes, replacement parts, or specialty gifts. If your online store only ranks when someone types in your exact company name, you are completely invisible to this massive pool of active, ready-to-buy customers. The instinct for many store owners is to rush in and paste supplier descriptions directly onto their product pages, hoping more text will catch a search engine's attention. But this lack of traffic is rarely a copywriting issue. It is a structural failure that prevents search algorithms from properly crawling and mapping your inventory in the first place. This diagram shows the top-down hierarchy of e-commerce SEO, where authority flows from the homepage down to specific variants. Search engines rely on this structure to understand your store. If a broken link creates a dead end, crawlers stop, abandoning the specific products at the bottom. Repairing this pathway means you have to optimize your broad discovery pages before you spend a single minute rewriting individual product listings. Guiding a stranger to your checkout cart requires building a digital architecture that perfectly mirrors the narrowing intent of their search. When a shopper knows exactly what kind of item they need, but hasn't picked a provider yet, they land on a category page. Many stores treat these pages as simple navigation menus, endless grids of product images. Search engine algorithms assign nearly zero contextual value to a page with no descriptive text. This wireframe shows how the algorithm evaluates layout. By adding a short, clear introduction at the top explaining what the category contains and who it is for, you give the search engine a reason to see the page as useful. These optimized category pages stop being passive menus and become active nets, perfectly designed to capture broad, unbranded search traffic. Once a shopper lands on that category page, they immediately start clicking filters for size, color, or price to find their exact match. This filter system is called faceted navigation. On the back end, it generates a unique, distinct web address for every single combination of filters a user clicks. This diagram illustrates what happens to a search bot exploring those filters. A single category node splinters into thousands of low-value variations. Red, size 10, under $50, creating a massive wave of digital clutter. This creates a crawl waste problem. The search engine exhausts its resources analyzing thousands of nearly identical URLs instead of finding your valuable inventory. The technical remedy is to deploy canonical tags, hidden signals that tell search bots which specific version of a page to trust, alongside strict indexing rules that block the noise and carve one clean path forward. Without this aggressive technical cleanup, search engines will abandon your digital storefront long before they evaluate a single product you sell. At the absolute bottom of this architectural hierarchy sits the individual product page. If that page relies on the exact same supplier text used by hundreds of other stores, it loses its unique value, and algorithms naturally filter it out of the search results. This split view shows how to solve that visibility problem. On the right is product schema, a hidden layer of code that directly feeds critical purchasing data, like price and availability, straight into the search engine algorithms. Clean schema data allows the search engine to project those compelling details directly onto the public search results page. Merging unique copywriting with this precise schema markup builds buyer trust before the customer has even clicked the link to enter your store. This graphic represents the fully reconstructed pathway. We have a managed technical crawl, contextual category pages, and schema-rich product listings working together. Because this chain of authority is flawless, search engines can confidently index the entire catalog without getting lost in duplicate pages. A seamless digital journey directly triggers physical action, moving a specific product off the warehouse shelf and onto a delivery truck. Prioritizing these technical foundation repairs prevents you from wasting capital rewriting content that algorithms can't even access. Mastering e-commerce SEO takes an invisible digital inventory and turns it into an unavoidable destination for every motivated buyer in the market.